It's coming out of the sack.
Hey, Mama.
They're hearing it.
Elvis.
Go lie down.
Two so far, Mama. You gonna be okay there, Mama? Oh, damn.
I was much better off when I was hiding under that box lid.
Yeah, well, you're gonna have to deal with it.
Sounds like she's purring now, though.
Mm-hmm.
She was growling a bit ago. Or it sounded like it.
Mm-hmm. So far, there's two.
One's on his way out, one out, one on the way.
No, two. Should I get gloves to help her? Should I get gloves to help her?
I'd love to help us.
Gloves.
No, just let her do it herself.
Kittens. Hi, Mama.
Not one, sir. Let me back in there. Let me back in there. And she's covered it up so I can't see it.
I can see it.
I know, but it looks like she's covered and trying to cover it up.
Wouldn't you?
Hmm?
Wouldn't you?
She's breathing heavy.
Mom, she's pushing babies out. I'm sure you breathed heavy too.
She says, I got an audience.
I'll keep you updated.